Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to do an unboxing and then a demo of the How furniture casters. Basically what I like to call these are skate wheels for your desk chair. Now I've used wheels like this for my desk chair for many years. It's great because they roll smoother than the ones that come with it. The biggest thing is they don't scratch wood or laminate flooring. My desk chair is at my house. We have laminate flooring all over the house, and so I got these kind of wheels for my old desk chair, and I got a new desk chair recently, and it came with the traditional office chair wheels, and I can't use those. I don't want to put a mat down. That's just annoying to me. You put these skate wheels on there, and you don't have to do that. So let's just open up the box real quick and take a look at them. There's a user manual in there in case you don't know what to do with them. But basically, these are them. Now generally you can get these in either clear like this or black. And it's just like a rubber, polyurethane rubber. And you know, they've got good bearings, so they swivel just like the wheels that are come with your chair. And then nice, strong metal, I believe it's aluminum metal, so that it holds your chair without any issues. And then most importantly, this wheel is doesn't make a lot of sound. It's smooth. It won't scratch because it's just a polyurethane rubber material, so it won't scratch your wood laminate, which is of course the most important thing. So that's it. Now let's go install them on my chair and see how they work. So to change out your wheels, it's usually pretty easy with most chairs. You just pull the old wheel out. There you go. Some are harder than others, but generally just put a little bit of strength into it, come out fairly easy, and then you put the new ones in. These can be a little bit harder to go in because the wheel is slightly off-centered from the center of the pin that's going in there, but just be patient, use a little bit of effort. That was easy, just went right in. So as you can see, swivels just like the ones that were on there without any issue at all, and it's in there. It's not coming out unless you pull it out. I'm going to install these skater wheels on all these legs, and then we're going to try them out. One thing you definitely want to note is that the skater wheels are a little bit bigger than the standard wheels. Standard wheels are usually about 2. The skater wheels are about 3 inches, so that ends up adding about ½ an inch of height to your chair as far as the minimum height. So it's only ½ an inch. It's not really that big of a deal, but obviously something you at least need to know and take into consideration in case it does make it for you. Now that we've got our skater wheels on there, you can see it works just fine. Doesn't make any noise, and most importantly, it's not going to scratch my laminate flooring because they're nice rubber polyurethane wheels. So they work really great and protect the floors. And for me, every chair I get, first thing I do is trade out the casters that come with it for these really cool polyurethane skater wheels, as I like to call them. And besides, it just makes me feel like I'm a young, cool skater when I'm sitting at my desk, even though I am not. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews or favorite this playlist. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.